Hi, welcome to my channel and welcome to Smart Mandarin. My name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to say just right in Mandarin Chinese. And just right as in if someone asks you, are you cold? You want to say, no, I'm not. The weather is just right. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. Or if someone asks you if this clothes is too big, is the size all right? You want to say it's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. How do you say that in Mandarin Chinese? Now, let's take a look. We say 刚好,刚好. I hope you can see this. Okay. 刚好, it's just like just right in Mandarin Chinese. For example, if someone asks you, is this dish too spicy? Then people might say, 这道菜会太辣吗? Okay, that's someone would ask you. 这道菜会太辣吗? So 道 is measure word for dishes. This dish would be too spicy. 这道菜会太辣吗? Then to answer this question, you would say 不会. It would not be too spicy for me. 不会,刚好. So you could just say 刚好 alone or just say 不会,刚好。这道菜会太辣吗？不会,刚好。Or 今天冷吗？ Okay, 今天冷吗? If someone asks you, is today cold? Is it cold today? 今天冷吗? You could answer, 今天不冷不热. Today is not too cold, it's not too hot. 不冷不热，刚好。Yes, 今天不冷不热，刚好。Or 今天的天气刚好。今天的天气刚好。So today's weather is just perfect. It's just right. Or you could also say, oops, you could also say, 这件衣服大小刚好。这件衣服大小刚好. Okay, so this piece of clothes size is perfect. 这件衣服大小刚好. So 大小 literally here means big, small, but here means size. 这件衣服大小刚好. So speaking of size, you could say 大小 means size, or you could say 尺寸.尺寸 also means size in Mandarin Chinese. So you could say 这件衣服大小刚好 or 这件衣服尺寸刚好 or you could use 刚好 as in it's perfect. The situation is perfect at this moment. What do I mean by that? You could use this structure, subject, and 刚好, and then the situation to talk about that this situation comes in the right moment. For example, 我刚好有10块钱. Oh, I just happen to have $10. Maybe your friend needs a coin to do something and he or she doesn't have a coin and you just happen to have $10 coin. You could say 我刚好有10块钱.我刚好有10块钱. So I just happen to have this $10. It's just perfect because you need it. So 我刚好有10块钱. Or if you're shopping and the amount is, let's say, $133. Okay, 133块钱. 133块钱. So this $33 is not a like an even number. It has you need a lot of coins. So if you happen to shop at this amount, 133块钱, you need some coins, but you happen to have the coin, you would say, 我刚好有133块钱. 我刚好有133块钱. So I happen to have this $133 full, so you don't need to give me any change. Okay, 我刚好 I just happen to have 我刚好有133块钱 or just 33块钱 because this is like the small change here. So 我刚好有33块钱. All right, or it's raining. 啊，下雨了。下雨了。It's raining now, but I happen to have an umbrella. How do you say that in Mandarin? 下雨了，我刚好有雨伞。Yes，下雨了，我刚好有雨伞。So I just happen to have the umbrella and it's perfect. 下雨了，我刚好有雨伞。For another example, if you need a Mandarin teacher, 你需要一位中文老师。中文老师。So 你需要一位中文老师。And your friend happens to know a Mandarin teacher. OK， 你的朋友刚好认识一位中文老师。你的朋友刚好认识一位中文老师。So 老师 here， 你的朋友刚好认识一位中文老师。Your friend just happened to know a Mandarin teacher. What would your friend say to you? He or she might say, "Oh, I just happen to know a Mandarin teacher. I could introduce her or him to you." So that in Mandarin would be 我刚好认识一位中文老师。Okay, I just happen to know a Mandarin teacher. 我刚好认识一位中文老师。认识 to know. I just happen to know a Mandarin teacher. 我刚好认识一位中文老师。I could introduce her to you. 我可以把她介绍 to introduce 给你。So 把它介绍给你 to introduce her to you 给你。So 把 somebody 介绍给你 here. Okay. 把 somebody 介绍给你 is to introduce someone to you. All right, in today's lesson, we learned 2 ways to use 刚好 in Mandarin Chinese and also other phrases and vocabulary in Mandarin Chinese. If you want to get more free learning lessons and PDF download of this lesson, you can scan the QR code right here and join my free lessons and get more free learning resources, or just click the link in bio. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. I hope you have a great day and I will see you next time. 我们下次见，再见。